So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to deposit US dollars or United States dollars or USD, I guess, into your account here on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom and press on the account icon. Once you're here, press on deposit or press on all. Once you're here, make sure you guys select the deposit icon. Now, once you're on the deposit screen, you now have to select your currency. So if you want to deposit US dollars into your account, it goes without saying, but press on USD. Now, once you're here, you have two different options with US dollars. You can either go through an EFT payment or through a wire transfer. Make sure you guys check the estimated arrival time as well as the associated fees. So select whatever one you're looking for. Go through the steps that way, and there you go. That is how you guys can deposit US dollars into your account on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.